So, okay, my dear ones, today we have a speaking session, and I have a simple topic for you. And you know very well about vehicles. What are vehicles? How are they important? How are they useful? How are they harmful? So, you know very well about vehicles. How many types of vehicles are there? You know very well. So, this is your topic for today. And I'm starting this topic with Sushil. Yes, come on,
Yes, sir.
Sushil.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Sushil, and I am student of the Raman Honorary classes from S16. And today our topic is vehicles. As we know that we are living in age of science, and the science has given us so many things, which are very useful and important for us.
बेटा
Science
मोटर बंद कर दी
has
क्या?
given us so many things
अच्छा.
like mobile, computer, fridge, AC, cooler, tube light, cooker, and etc. The vehicle is one of them, and it is very important because with the help of them we can go uh, anywhere in very little time. And it is also important when we have any emergency, like someone is serious and we have to reach hospital in very little time. So it is very important and useful.
Hmm.
There are many kind of vehicles like bus, scooter, bike, car, auto, taxi, tempo, etc.
Hmm.
And there are many companies of cars
Hmm.
like Porsche, Bugatti, Lamborghini, Porsche, Rolls, etc. And these cars are very expensive because these cars have uh, good features. So these are very expensive. uh, Vehicles are important, but it is also harmful in some situations, like when we don't follow traffic rules, and at the time of driving we don't put helmet and seat belt. So it is very harmful for us because we may meet with accident.
शाबाश. देखो कितना धीरे धीरे बोल रहा है, आराम से बोल रहा है, टाइम ले रहा है, या पूरा बोलने में हड़बड़ा नहीं रहा है. माइंड में थॉट्स आ रहे हैं, उनको फ्रेम कर रहा है. देखो कितना आराम से बोल रहा है. ये फॉलो करो आप इसकी इस चीज को. हाँ बेटा बोल.
Yes, sir. And many people say that we don't follow rules of traffic because they have ego, but it is very harmful for them. And many riders stand on roads, and in some situation they get injured, and it is harmful for them.
हम्म.
Not only them, it is also harmful for others.
हम्म.
And we know very well that life is very important. And in our Bharat, many family lose members of their life.
हम्म.
So at last, I want to say that we should follow some rules. So that's it.
वेरी गुड. देखो कितना टाइम टाइम लो पूरा बोलने के लिए. आप आराम से बोला है, तसल्ली से, बिल्कुल धीरे 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 धीरे. माइंड में थॉट्स आ रहे हैं, उनको बना रहा है, उनको कर रहा है. टाइम लो पूरा. हड़बड़ाओ मत. जल्दबाजी करोगे तो फिर गड़बड़ होगी उसमें. समझ रहे हैं मेरी बात को आप? यही चीजें देखने की होती हैं. बस कैसे बोल रहा है, पूरा टाइम लिया ना इसने बोलने के लिए. तसल्ली से बोला ना, आराम से, कोई जल्दबाजी नहीं की ना इसने. वही आपको करना है बस. समझ गए मेरी बात को आप? यस, नाउ आई एम कॉलिंग आदित्य.
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Aditya. I am the student of Ramban Online Interactive Classes from Batch 18. Today's our topic is vehicles. As we all know that science has given us many things like mobile phone, computer, and, and vehicles, AC, cooler, pankha, etc.
हम्म.
Vehicle one of them.
व्हीकल इज
With
वन
the
ऑफ देम. वर्ब फॉर्म का ध्यान रखो सर. इसीलिए मैंने कहा ना, तसल्ली से बोलो, आराम से बोलो, सोचो मुझे क्या बोलना है, क्या थॉट है, क्या वर्ब लगाऊं, कैसे लगाऊं. सोचोगे तब आएगा. फोकस नहीं करोगे तो कहाँ गलती करते रहोगे. फिर बोलो.
yes, sir. With the help of vehicles, we go anywhere very little time.
इन वेरी लिटिल टाइम. अब इन क्यों नहीं लगाया आपने? लगाओ ना इन चीजों को. बहुत कम समय में. तो मैं आ रहा है तो इन लगाओगे ना. फोकस करोगे तब लगेगा ना. आगे बोलो.
There are many vehicles in world like car, bike, trucks, tractor, etc.
हम्म.
Without vehicles, we we without vehicles we cannot ought to go anywhere.
हाँ, शाबाश. ऐसे बोल, तसल्ली से बोल, धीरे धीरे बोल, तब आएगा बेटा. हाँ.
There are many car companies
हम्म.
like Swift, Echo, etc.
हम्म.
There are many any disadvantages of vehicles.
शाबाश. ऐसे बोला कर, धीरे धीरे बोल, तसल्ली से बोल. अब देख आज कितना अच्छा बोल रहा है, सब गलतियां भी नहीं आ रही. आराम से फोकस कर, तसल्ली से बोल. घबरा क्यों रहा है? जल्दबाजी थोड़ी है अपने को कोई. हम बोल, आराम से बोल. अपन सीख रहे हैं बेटा अभी.
Yes, sir. Some people can't can't cannot 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 see traffic rules
डू नॉट सी.
and
कैन नॉट का कैसे मतलब निकलेगा यहाँ पर? देखते ही नहीं है
yes, sir,
ट्रैफिक रूल्स को, तो कैन क्यों लगेगा? डू नॉट सी ट्रैफिक रूल्स. डू नॉट लगेगा ना बेटा. ऐसे ध्यान दे चीजों पर. मॉडल थोड़ी आएगा. आगे बोल. कोई बात नहीं, घबरा मत, बोल.
yes, sir. And this is very harmful for our family.
हम्म.
Bharat families is very nice, but that they can that they do not see traffic rules, so this is for harmful for there.
हम्म.
I some some riders start our stunts in main
अवर
road.
क्यों आएगा? देयर आएगा. इसको गलत गलत करते हो तुम.
There,
ठीक करो इसको. हाँ, ध्यान दो. ध्यान दोगे 4-5 बार तो ठीक होने लग जाएगा फिर.
yes, sir.
हाँ.
And there cannot
एंड.
and they do not see any vehicle,
हाँ.
and so this is very harmful.
हम्म.
So last I say that see traffic rules. Yes, sir, that's it.
तो आज देखो कितना अच्छा बोला. ऐसे ध्यान से कर करके बोलोगे तो 10 दिन में ठीक हो जाओगे. छोटी मोटी गलतियां ठीक हो जाएंगी. राइटिंग कर रहे हो, नहीं कर रहे हो?
सर करता हूँ.
वेरी गुड. ऐसे ध्यान रख के बोलो. कोई जल्दबाजी नहीं है. स्पीड तो अपने आप आ जाएगी बेटा. समझ गए ना बेटा मेरी बात? स्पीड की टेंशन मत करो, वो तो अपने आप आ जाएगी. सही तरीके से अपने माइंड को ट्यून्ड करो, ट्रेंड करो बेटा. है ना? और सुनो सबको ध्यान से. यस, कम ऑन अनुष्का.
Hello everyone, my name is Anushka and I am the student of Ramban Online Interactive Classes from Batch 19. So today's our topic is vehicles. As we all know that we are living in the age of science and scientists gives us many inventions and many other things which are useful in our daily life. like a tube light, fan, cooler, etc. Vehicle is one of them.
Hmm.
There are many types of vehicles like two-wheeler, three-wheeler, and four-wheeler.
Hmm.
And these are the three types of the vehicles, and there are many other types of these vehicles like two-wheeler are scooty and bike, and they are from different companies like Honda or Jupiter, etc.
Hmm.
And there are three-wheelers like auto rickshaw, etc. and four-wheeler like car, etc. And there are many big vehicles also like bus, trucks. In vehicles, there are many safety facilities by which the accident does not happen, and like we can see the speed meter in the vehicles, and we can see the petrol. The vehicles
Hmm.
run by the petrol and diesel, but nowadays the scientists make make the vehicles that run on batteries and electronic and on CNG gases,
Hmm.
and there are many facilities, but vehicles by vehicles uh, we can go any place in a few time.
हाँ, in little time, few time नहीं, time तो uncountable होता है बेटा.
This sir,
Hmm.
in a very little time, and in just hours or in just minutes we can go anywhere. It cover the long distance
Hmm.
very easily,
Very good,
and
shabash.
there are many seaters, many seats in vehicles.
Hmm.
Bus is the most important because local people can also afford this vehicle.
Hmm.
Some people who
Shabash,
cannot
shabash.
afford the vehicles
हाँ.
uh, go in buses and jeeps, etc.
Hmm.
But there are many also harmful effects of vehicle, like we do not we do not follow the safety precautions of vehicles. We do not follow the traffic rules, so
Hmm.
that's why accidents committed and
Accidents committed
vehicles
नहीं, accidents take place.
accidents take place, and vehicles like and vehicles that run with the petrol and diesel also cause of pollution, and that is why the scientists have been made
हाँ ठीक है, नहीं have been made क्यों? Have been
बना
making, बना चुके हैं तो फिर तो पैसिव भी तो एक्टिव भी तो बनेगा बेटा. Have made.
have made battery
हाँ.
vehicles is very important, but these are
बैटरी
very
व्हीकल की
harmful.
जगह इलेक्ट्रिक व्हीकल बोलो बेटा.
जी सर.
हाँ, कोई बात नहीं, बोलो बेटा, ऐसे ही सीखते हैं हम चीजों को, बोलो.
It is also the cause of the pollution by using by using many vehicles or without thinking of the environment. Pollution is increasing day by
बेटा
day.
वो सही था वहां पे, मोर
Every
मोर सही था बेटा वहां पे, बाय यूजिंग व्हीकल्स मोर या मच, बाय यूजिंग व्हीकल्स मच, ऐसे बोल दो, कोई बात नहीं बेटा, आगे बोल तू.
and some people afford vehicles, but some people afford vehicles without of their any needs. They only afford vehicles for their passion, but it is not right because
Hmm.
if the vehicles increases, so the pollution also
इफ द यूज
increases.
ऑफ इंक्री, हाँ ठीक है, ओके वो भी ठीक है, ओके ठीक है, बोलो.
And um, if we want to decrease the pollution in the
वेंट नहीं
environment,
बेटा, वांट होता है ये.
हाँ जी sir, if we want to decrease the pollution in environment, So we have to do some things like if we are if our destination is not so far, then we should use bus and jeeps and taxis
हम्म
that will decrease the pollution.
रिड्यूस यूज कर
And
सकते हैं बेटा, यहाँ पर अपन रिड्यूस को यूज करना शुरू करो बेटा।
जी
या
सर।
लेसन,
एंड
LESSEN, ये भी वर्ब बन जाती है एक लेस के बाद, कम करना।
लेसन।
लेसन, LESS तो लेस मतलब कम,
हाँ।
और इसमें EN लगा दोगे तो वर्ब बन जाएगी वो कम करना। जैसे वाइट एडजेक्टिव होता है, EN लगा दे, वाइटन सफेद करना। ब्लैक, ब्लैकन, सब में नहीं लगता ऐसे, पर कुछ बता रहा हूँ उनको तो अपन ध्यान रख ही सकते हैं ना बेटा। एक अपने को एक
हाँ।
कंसेप्ट तो क्लियर हुआ ना कि हाँ ऐसा होता है, ये मैं कह रहा हूँ बेटा।
And we can also use bicycles, and
हाँ
we can also go there by our foot, and because it also uh, helps to keep ourselves healthy, and it also decreases the pollution. That's it, sir.
शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया बेटा, शाबाश। कोशिश करो सीखते रहो, कोशिश करो सीखते रहो, कोशिश करो सीखते रहो। स्किल का कभी कोई कोर्स नहीं होता है, ध्यान रखना। स्किल्ड अगर आप होना चाहते हो तो इसका कोई कोर्स नहीं होता है, बस प्रैक्टिस है इसका कोर्स, ये ध्यान रखो। पर अच्छा कर रहे हो, अच्छा करो। जब यहाँ तक आ गए हो तो फिर आगे क्या दिक्कत है, मेन काम तो हो गया। वैष्णवी।
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Vaishnavi. I'm the student of Ramban Online Interactive Classes from B18, and today our topic is vehicles. And you know very well that science has given us many essential things for
हम्म
us like cooler, AC, fan, etc.
हाँ
And vehicles are one of them. And there are many vehicles like cars, scooter, truck, bus, train, etc.
हम्म
And with the help of vehicle, we can go anywhere in less time.
शाबाश।
And the disadvantages of vehicles are like the pollution comes from the pollution the pollution comes from the vehicles, and they they harmful they harmful our environment.
दे आर हार्मफुल, हार्मफुल कोई वर्ब थोड़ी होती है। दे आर हार्मफुल।
Yes, sir. They are harmful for our environment, and you can see that in Delhi, the pollution is increasing day by day
शाबाश, ऐसे
because of
सोच,
the
थोड़े सोचते रहो।
vehicles, and the people use use the vehicles daily,
हम्म
and as you know that the scientists give an electronic vehicles.
हैज गिवन, साइंटिस्ट्स हैव गिवन, हैव इन्वेंटेड, अच्छे वर्ड्स यूज करो।
Yes, sir. Scientists have invented electronic vehicles like scooter, bike,
इलेक्ट्रिक
etc.
व्हीकल्स बेटा।
Yes, sir.
हाँ बोलो।
And there are many companies of car like Honda, BMW, Lamborghini, etc.
हाँ
Uh, and there are many companies of bike like Honda, Hero, Jupiter, etc.
हम्म
and vehicles are very easy. Vehicles vehicles are very easy thing that we can go anywhere.
Hmm. By which we can go anywhere.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
And the we can uh, we can book cab,
Hmm.
taxi, etc.
Hmm.
And we can also book Rapido,
Hmm.
so we can go anywhere with the help of this
Hmm.
app.
Hmm.
Yes, sir, that's it.
कोई बात नहीं, थोड़ा सा और थॉट्स को पकड़ के रखो। राइटिंग कर रहे हो नहीं कर रहे हो बेटा?
Yes, sir.
कर रहे हो? हैं? करते रहो बेटा राइटिंग। और देखो क्या कमी रह गई, थॉट्स में कुछ गड़बड़ है, थॉट्स को प्रॉपर अरेंज नहीं कर पा रहे हैं, थॉट्स प्रॉपर नहीं आ पा रहे हैं, क्या स्लो चल रहा है, कैसे स्लो चल रहा है, एनालिसिस करो बेटा। इसीलिए रिकॉर्डिंग करते हैं अपन। रिकॉर्डिंग को देखो, 2 बार देखो, 4 बार देखो, ढूंढने की कोशिश करो यार क्या कमी है। समझ गए आप? और किसी की सुनो, आप देखो, आपको जो लग रहा है कि यार इसने अच्छा बोला है इसको सुनो, मैंने ऐसे बोला थोड़ी कमी है, क्या कमी है यार, इसने ऐसा क्या बोला, मेरे को ऐसे और क्या बोलना है, क्या करना है मेरे को, थॉट्स में गड़बड़ हो रहा है, थॉट्स को अरेंज नहीं कर पा रहे, थॉट्स को प्रॉपर तरीके से अपन ट्रांसलेट नहीं कर पा रहे। एनालिसिस करोगे ना बेटा 2 4 5 दिन अपना, फिर आप ठीक होने लग जाओगे बस अपने आप, गारंटी मान के चलो इस चीज को आप, है ना बेटा? हाँ, अच्छा है, कोई
Yes,
दिक्कत नहीं है, पर और अच्छा करना है भी। अपन एकदम ये मान लेंगे कि हो गया तो फिर तो काम नहीं चलेगा ना बेटा, वो तो मैं भी नहीं मानता, आज तक मैं भी पढ़ाता हूँ, और अच्छे से पढ़ाना है भी, और इजी वे में पढ़ाना है भी, और आसान करना है भी पढ़ाने को, सोचना पड़ेगा ना बेटा।
yes, sir.
हाँ ऐसे। ओके बेटा, वेरी गुड, कीप इट अप, शाबाश बेटा। एंड नाउ दिस इज द टर्न ऑफ तनिष। जल्दबाजी मत करो बोलने में, बस तसल्ली से बोलो, टाइम लो पूरा आप, है ना बेटा? बोलो।
Yes, sir. Good evening, all of you. My name is Tanish. I am a student of Ramban Online Interactive Classes from B19. Today, our topic is vehicles.
हाँ
As
आराम
we
से
know
बोलो,
that
हाँ। हम्म।
science has given us many electric devices like cooler, fan, mm, vehicles, etc. Vehicles is one of them.
अब देख, व्हीकल्स इज कैसे आएगा,
Sir, vehicles are one of
थोड़ा सा
them.
फोकस करना है बस, फिर चीजें ठीक होने लग जाएंगी। हाँ
With the help of vehicle, we go any we can go anywhere.
शाबाश, ऐसे इसको कहते हैं फोकस करना बस। हाँ
We can go anywhere in sir less time आ सकता है.
बिल्कुल आएगा सर, बिल्कुल आएगा।
Less time. There are many vehicles like two-wheeler. There are 3 types of vehicle like
हाँ शाबाश।
two-wheeler, three-wheeler, and four-wheeler.
हाँ
And sir, fourth vehicle name is six-wheeler.
हाँ, यस यस यस।
Two-wheeler is yes, sir. Two-wheeler like bike, cycle, and scooty.
हम्म।
And three-wheeler is auto,
हाँ
etc. And four-wheeler is car and bus.
हाँ
And six-wheeler is truck.
हाँ
By the vehicles, many accidents, sir,
टेक प्लेस,
होते हैं.
टेक प्लेस, हैपन।
Many accidents take place.
हम्म।
Uh, imagine that you go with bike and a dog are come
आर क्यों?
suddenly
आर कम क्यों? Comes.
comes suddenly in the front of bike. So you so you have a accident.
हाँ शाबाश, very good. या you meet with an accident. You
You
meet
meet
with an accident. बहुत अच्छा बोल रहा है, very good. अरे आ गया तू तो बहुत
you
लेवल
meet
पे बता. हाँ
with an accident,
हाँ
but you have a car. So any many accidents have not are
many accidents are avoided. Can
are
be
avoided.
avoided. हाँ हाँ
Can be.
हम्म,
And so बचाने को क्या बोलेंगे?
चाहे सेंटेंस बोल पूरा.
कार हमें बारिश से भी बचाती है.
Save. Car saves us from rain. घबराए मत
कार
बिल्कुल भी. हाँ बहुत अच्छा कर रहा है तू बेटा. हाँ
कार saves us from rain.
हाँ
And most of the people have personal vehicles.
हाँ
I have a cycle.
हाँ शाबाश.
By cycle, I go school. I
हाँ
go to school.
हाँ हाँ
And my father, my father has a my father has a car.
हाँ
By car, we go to village. And but most of the famous vehicle is bus. Because with the help of bus, we go anywhere in less time. But bus take many people.
ठीक है बोल.
Bus take many people. So many people go. सर एक साथ को क्या बोलेंगे?
Together.
Many people go together by bus. By bus. Yes sir, that's it.
बहुत बढ़िया बेटा, बहुत बढ़िया. वेरी गुड. अच्छा परफॉर्मेंस है बेटा तेरा. बस इसी पैटर्न को फॉलो करता रहे. अब देखो कोई जल्दबाजी नहीं की ना इसने. देख लो आप, बहुत आराम आराम से बोला है. टाइम लिया है इसने पूरा बोलने में. फ्लो तो अपने आप आ जाएगा, स्पीड तो अपने आप आ जाएगी. कोई जल्दबाजी नहीं की ना, हड़बड़ाया नहीं है बिल्कुल भी. आराम से सोच सोच के तसल्ली से बोलता रहा. ये वही मैं कह रहा हूँ, टाइम लो आप अपना पूरा बोलने के लिए. मैं कोई टाइम लिमिट नहीं रख रहा हूँ अभी. कभी कभी रखूंगा भी. तब स्पीड कैसे आएगी, नहीं तो फिर फास्ट कैसे होगे. कभी कभी रखूंगा भी. फॉलो करो आप. अब धीरे धीरे उस कैटेगरी में आता जा रहा है ये भी. तो अब ये अपने हाथ में है. अपना परफॉर्म करना अपने हाथ में है. बस सीधी सी बात है. ओके बेटा, वेरी गुड. कीप इट अप बेटा. शाबाश. यस. एंड नाउ दिस इज द टर्न ऑफ उमेश. उमेश
Yes,
अच्छा
sir.
बोल रहा है, थोड़ा सा
Hi-
और अच्छे से करने की कोशिश कर.
Yes, sir. Hello everyone. I am a student of Ramban Interactive Classes from batch 19. Today my topic is vehicles. As we all know that science gives us many things such as TV, fridge, washing machine, vehicles, etc. Today I am telling about vehicles. There are many types of vehicles such as two-wheeler, three-wheeler, four-wheeler, six-wheeler.
शाबाश. ऐसे फोकस करके बोलता रहा बस. हाँ.
Two-wheeler, bike and cycle. Third wheeler is auto, etc. And four
थर्ड
wheeler
व्हीलर
is
की जगह थर्ड वन इज. तीसरा वाला. हाँ.
third one is auto, etc. And fourth is one car.
फोर्थ इज वन.
Truck.
फोर्थ वन इज
car, truck, etc. There are many expensive vehicles in world such as Ferrari, Lamborghini, etc. But there are many good features in these vehicles. There is a big LED in many cars, and there are many safety gadgets in car. But many vehicles produce large amount of pollution. So
ना. स्मोक. हार्मफुल
Smoke.
स्मोक. और स्मोक से फिर पॉल्यूशन होता है.
harmful smoke. So your atmosphere is not. सर हिलने डुलने को क्या बोलेंगे?
क्या सेंटेंस बोलना पड़ेगा तेरे को? एटमॉस्फेयर के हिसाब से हिलना डुलना कैसे आएगा?
अपना एटमॉस्फेयर पूरा हिल डुल गया है इसके चक्कर में.
डिस्टर्ब्ड कर दो ना. आवर एटमॉस्फेयर हैज बीन डिस्टर्ब्ड.
योर एटमॉस्फेयर हैज बीन.
तुम्हारा नहीं है वो. आवर दा लगा दो ना. द एनवायरनमेंट.
द एनवायरनमेंट इज
डिस्टर्ब्ड. हैज बीन डिस्टर्ब्ड. हैज बीन डिस्टर्ब्ड.
has been disturbed. Many people has no vehicle.
Has कैसे
so
आएगा? Have आएगा.
Have no vehicle, so they travel in bus. But bus are very harmful for us because many bus driver full your bus and.
अरे योर क्यों आएगा बार बार? तू समझ क्यों नहीं रहा? द बस लगाना योर क्यों लगाता है?
The bus overflow and the bus driver drive bus very fast. So there are many accidents of this thing.
There are many accidents. अच्छा आगे बोल.
Many people like to collect cars, but there are many expensive cars such as Ferrari, Lamborghini, Mercedes, etc. Many people are not like to vehicle because they don't like vehicle because they cannot like to drive vehicle.
They do not like
vehicles. Nowadays, science gives us Science has given us electronic vehicles.
Electric vehicles, beta.
Electric vehicle are very useful and harmful for us. But vehicles are very big source of accident.
Reason, source nahi, reason.
Reason of accident. But cycle is very interesting vehicle because cycle do not release harmful gases.
Release क्यों कर रहे हो? Release ही तो करोगे.
Release harmful gases. सर उसमें पेट्रोल नहीं डलता, इसको क्या बोलेंगे?
There is no need of petrol.
There is no need of petrols and there are
petrol. ध्यान दे
petrol.
हाँ.
Many children drive cycle. Children drive cycle very easily.
Ride two wheeler के लिए ride use करते हैं.
Ride cycle very easily. There are many small cycles for children.
हाँ ऐसे ध्यान करके बोल, थोड़ा फोकस कर एक बार, फिर अपने आप हो जाएगा.
But science has given us electronic cycle, so children drive cycle very fast. With the help of cycle, we less their weight.
फिर देयर, जब वी आ रहा है तो देयर कैसे हो जाएगा? फिर आवर होएगा ना.
Our weight. We go anywhere with the help of vehicles in less time. I have a cycle, but I don't ride cycle.
It लगा दो ना अब यहाँ पर. But I don't ride it. अच्छा भी लगेगा.
That's it, sir.
बहुत बढ़िया. देखा लेंथ बढ़ गई ना. छोटी छोटी सी कमियां हैं, सुनेगा तो फिर देखना, फिर ठीक होएगी. वो कोशिश करने से अपने आप को इम्प्रूव करो डे बाय डे. बात ये है बेटा, ठीक है ना? एक बार की मेहनत है, फिर बाद में लाइफ टाइम कुछ नहीं, अपने आप सिस्टम बन जाएगा परमानेंटली. यस यामिनी?
Yes, sir. My name is Yashwi, the student of Ramban online internet classes from batch 18. Today,
आवाज सही नहीं आ रही तुम्हारी.
sir, अब आई?
हाँ.
Today our topic is vehicles. So, as we all know that science has given so many things, these things make our life comfortable. There are so many things, so many gadgets which has which have made for making our life easy, like TV, fridge, AC, mobile phone, etc. Vehicle is one of them.
Hmm.
The vehicle is also is the vehicle has become the symbol of showing how much we are rich.
वेरी गुड, सुनो सब
A,
इसको ध्यान से. हाँ.
a person who has a luxury car and a luxury bike, the respect of society is more than other people's.
Hmm.
If a person uh, who has not vehicles, there is a different respect in a society of that person.
Hmm.
The two-wheeler vehicles, at least in all of the houses. So in simple words, we can say that the vehicles are become the basic need of our life.
Have become, are become कैसे आ जाएगा?
Yes, sir, have become the basic need of our life. When in the past time, when this system was started, we used cow cart and horse cart. But when we developed ourselves, we also developed the system of vehicles and made motor cars and scooters. So these vehicles save most important thing of human's life, which is time. Which is time. The time is the biggest thing, biggest thing in the people life, and everyone wants to save it. By the use of vehicles, we can go anywhere and we can reach anywhere in a little time. So our time is saved. That's why the vehicles have an important part in our daily life. Uh, there are so many other uses of vehicle, like if if we have to go hospital immediately, we can use vehicles. If we if sometime we late in our examinations, we can also use vehicles, and we can reach reach at our centers and colleges at the time. So vehicles are so important, but at the same time we can see, if think, everything has a good and a bad side. The vehicles also has it. Um, a vehicle save our time, but it through harmful gases which make our environment polluted day by day. It increases the level of pollution, and if the level of pollution increases, uh, what what we do uh, what we do by saving time. Government also take a strict action about it. The uh, government has launched the electric vehicles, by which the level of pollution may be controlled.
शाबाश शाबाश.
The do electric vehicles do not through harmful gases, but if we use the electric vehicles more time, the battery of uh, electric vehicles uh, too much heat.
Gets too
By
much heat. हाँ कोई बात नहीं बोल.
gets too much heat and it blasts. So the life of a person is in danger. We should use electric vehicles by too much thinking. Some people do not drive vehicle uh, by by the traffic rules, by the help of traffic rules. They
According to
think
traffic
that,
rules.
according to traffic rules, they think that these rules are only made for time pass, but the traffic rules are too much important. If a person do not follow it, he and she has to face an accident.
Hmm.
Um, because because of traffic rules, we can see that the road accidents decreases.
Hmm.
If we want if are if we are able to walk, we should walk, go anywhere.
Hmm.
Some people use vehicles for short distance, which are not right.
Which is not
Because
right.
of which is not right. Because of these things, a person who use vehicles for short distance, he become lazy, more lazy, and lazy day by day.
Hmm.
So these thing is also not good. There is only one vehicle in which no no any सब खतरनाक चीज का क्या बोलेंगे.
Hazardous thing.
हाँ, there is only one vehicle. There is no in which no hazard available. It is cycle, because there is no need of petrol for driving a cycle. So we should use cycles more than vehicles. And if we use a government transport like buses, so it is too good, because in the government transport we can see that in a one ride so many people can ride and reach on the place. Thank you sir, that's it.
बहुत बढ़िया. थॉट्स बहुत अच्छे हैं. ग्रामर का थोड़ा ध्यान रखो. कबीर.
सर आवाज आ रही है?
हाँ बेटा बोल.
Hello everyone, my name is Kabir. I am the student of Rambar English Interactive Classes from batch P10. Today's my topic is vehicles. As we know that science gives us many things and vehicle is one of them. Vehicle is most useful thing in the world because it is in all houses. It is used for transportation. There are many types of vehicles like car, bike, truck, etc. These all things used for transportation mostly are used for transportation mostly. Vehicles is very useful for riders.
Vehicles बोल रहा है तो फिर इस कैसे हो जाएगा?
Okay sir, vehicles are very useful for riders because they do business by the help of vehicles. And they earn money by this thing. Vehicles is used for go one place to another place in less time, by which we can save our time. Vehicles
very useful and harmful both. Vehicles vehicles is used
बेटा ध्यान
in
रख, व्हीकल्स बोल रहा है फिर इज बोल रहा है, फोकस करेगा तब ठीक होगा ना.
okay sir. There are many companies of vehicles like Ferrari, Lamborghini, Bugatti, etc. These speeds are very fast, by which we can save our time. These cars build quality is also very nice, by which accidents chance become decrease.
less.
Okay sir, become less. There are many luxury vehicles in the world. People buy it for show. They don't respect of other people which have two wheelers
Who have,
and
which nahi, who have.
who have Alto, etc. Vehicles is also very harmful because they throw many harmful gases by which our O3 become weak. It is also very harmful for our atmosphere. They throw many gases by which people सब बीमार पड़ जाते हैं.
Get ill.
People get ill.
People become ill. ऐसे बोल सकते हो जाते हैं. हाँ बोलो बोलो आगे बोलो.
People become ill and they get asthma and cancer, etc. By vehicle accident chance become high because people don't follow traffic rules. People don't drive vehicles slowly. They drive their vehicles very highly. And they drive their vehicle after drinking alcohol. Mostly truck people do that thing. So vehicles is very harmful. But we should stop it. Why follow the rule? Why follow traffic rules?
By following
traffic rules. By following. We should drive cycle mostly.
Drive nahi, ride.
We should ride cycle mostly. We should wear helmet when we while driving vehicles, when we are on two-wheeler. And we should use public transportation mostly. Yes sir, that's it.
बहुत बढ़िया. रिकॉर्डिंग जरूर देखना और गलतियां देखना आपने क्या क्या कर रहे हैं, कहाँ कहाँ कर रहे हैं अपन. यस रौनक.
Hello everyone, my name is Ronak. I teach in Ramban Interactive Classes from batch 18. Today's our topic is vehicle. as you all know, science is very important in our life.
देख के मत बोलना आज,
Sir?
देख के बोल रहा है क्या? पूरा शक्ल दिखाओ, अपनी पूरी शक्ल दिखाओ मेरे को। ऊपर देख के बोलो, सामने बस। हाँ बोलो, सामने देख के बोलो, नीचे मत देखो। देख के थोड़ी बोल रहे हो। हाँ, देख के मत बोलना बिल्कुल भी, सामने देख के बोलो, नीचे मत देखो बिल्कुल भी। हाँ
Science has given me just like vehicle is one of them.
आवाज नहीं आ रही तुम्हारी साफ। आवाज नहीं आ रही। हाँ नहीं आ रही, अभी सही करो इसको। कनेक्टिविटी सही नहीं है तुम्हारी, फटाफट से सही करके आओ। हाँ बोलो। नहीं आ रही आवाज। चलो तुम रोको, ठीक करके आओ, मैं जब तक गीता को बुलाता हूँ। यस कम ऑन।
सर माइक करके बोलिए।
हाँ बोल।
सर स्टार्टिंग से बोलिए।
हाँ बोल बोल।
As you all know, science is very important in our life. Science has given many useful gifts, just like phone, vehicle, TV, etc. Vehicles is one of them. There are two types of vehicles, just like EV vehicles, petrol vehicles. Vehicles are very important because we go to any place in a little time. Vehicle is very important, but EV vehicles is one of them because they don't hurt our environment. EV vehicles is chargeable and it is very good. But petrol vehicles are very bad for our environment because they hurt. Because it is harmful for our health. There are many sports cars, just like Lamborghini, Bugatti, Porsche, Ferrari, Lamborghini Urus, etc. They all cars are very expensive because all cars are very fast. There are many sports bikes just like Kawasaki Ninja H2R, KTM, Hayabusa, etc. All bikes are very fast, but vehicles are very important. But accident is very disadvantage of vehicle. Accident increasing day by day.
Are increasing.
Increasing day by day. Many people don't follow traffic rule and they put their life in danger.
Shabash.
Vehicles are important but in a limit. That's it, sir.
बहुत बढ़िया, आज अच्छा बोला ना तुमने, आज थोड़ा सा फोकस किया तो हड़बड़ाहट नहीं दिखाई दी आज तुम्हारे अंदर। वेरी गुड। Yes, Geeta.
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Geeta. I am the student of Ramban online and practice classes from batch 18.
Hmm.
Today our topic is vehicle.
Hmm.
As we all know that very well, science has given many things like machineries, vehicles, and other things. Vehicle is very important in our life.
Hmm.
By the help of vehicle, we can uh, travel. We can fix long distance.
Hmm.
By the help of vehicle, we can go anywhere.
शाबाश, very good. धीरे धीरे बोलते रहो बेटा, शाबाश बेटा.
There are many type of vehicles like two-wheeler, four-wheeler,
Hmm.
etc.
Hmm.
Mostly people can afford two-wheeler
Hmm.
because four-wheeler is very costly.
Hmm.
Government run uh, government run many government vehicles like buses, trains,
शाबाश बेटा, बहुत
etc.
बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया. हाँ.
Because mostly people cannot afford personal vehicle.
Hmm.
They 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 travel they travel in government vehicles.
हाँ, पब्लिक व्हीकल्स कह सकते हो आप, पब्लिक व्हीकल्स होते हैं.
Yes, sir.
हाँ, कोई बात नहीं, बोलो, कोई बात नहीं, बोलो.
Government run ma- gov- many companies make vehicle,
Hmm.
but there are many disadvantage of vehicle,
Hmm.
like vehicle spread pollution
Hmm.
in our atmosphere.
Hmm.
It is generate very harmful gases.
Hmm. It generates.
It is it is very harmful for our health.
Hmm.
Government can government stop stop to the pollution, make many plants like make electric vehicle.
Hmm.
By the help of electric vehicle, we can control pollution.
बहुत बढ़िया, very good.
By the help of vehicle, we can go anywhere in little time.
Hmm.
It is save our time.
It saves.
It saves our time, and it saves our energy.
हाँ, very good, very good.
Vehicles run by the petrol and diesel.
Hmm.
It is nowadays it is very costly.
Hmm.
The large number of vehicles is the reason of accidents.
Very good, बहुत बढ़िया. Hmm.
Every person, mostly people
Most
has
people,
mostly
most people, most
mo,
people.
most people have a vehicle.
Hmm.
Many people travel.
in in a in a वन एक टाइम में उसको क्या बोलूंगी सर? वन टाइम
मतलब समझ में नहीं आया मेरे को आपकी बात।
मतलब एक समय में बहुत सारे लोग एक साथ ट्रेवल कर सकते हैं।
हाँ, many people can travel
कैन
together
ट्रेवल
together। हम्म
by the help of vehicle we can do long time
जर्नी।
बनने पाए।
छोड़ दे उसको, अगला आगे आ जाए, छोड़ दे उसको।
Vehicles is very useful for us. That's it.
बहुत बढ़िया बोला है, वेरी गुड, शाबाश। सुनना अपनी रिकॉर्डिंग, कितना आराम से बोला है, तसल्ली से, कोई हड़बड़ाहट नहीं दिखाई दी, कोई कुछ नहीं दिखाई दिया। बहुत अच्छा, वेरी गुड, शाबाश बेटा। यस श्री, श्री है ही नहीं शायद। ओके चलो कोई बात नहीं। ओके थैंक यू वेरी मच। यस नाउ आई एम कॉलिंग संजू। कम ऑन संजू। यस आजा बेटा।
As we all know that science has.
बोल बोल।
Hello everyone, my name is Sanju. Today my topic is vehicles. As we all know that science has given many things like phone, laptop, computer, vehicles, etc. Vehicles are one of them.
ठीक है, बोलती जा।
We know very well vehicles are many types.
Vehicles are of many types या there are many types of vehicles। कोई बात नहीं, आगे बोल। हाँ
Like bus, scooter, bike, etc. Vehicles are saves our time.
आर क्यों लगा रही है? Vehicles save our time। फोकस कर थोड़ा सा।
Vehicles save our time and we can go anywhere few time.
In less time।
In less time.
तो अनकाउंटेबल होता है। हाँ
It make life very easy.
हाँ शाबाश शाबाश।
Most of the people don't follow traffic rules and drink alcohol and fastly drive car.
Drive their vehicles fast।
It causes of accidents. It is make lazy. It makes lazy of humans.
It makes human lazy।
Human lazy because most of the people like to carry it everywhere.
ठीक है ठीक है।
Bus is a good gift of science because it is decreasing of pollution.
ठीक है बोल, वैसे तो सही नहीं है पर फैक्चुअल तो गलत है, पर लेकिन ग्रामेटिकल ठीक है, बोल बोल।
We can go together everywhere.
शाबाश, वेरी गुड।
That's okay.
कोई बात नहीं है, कोई बात नहीं है, घबराया मत कर तू। जितना हुआ अच्छा हुआ, ठीक है ना? कुछ कमी है तो उनको ठीक कर लेंगे अपन बेटा। ओके बेटा, चलो ओके।